guys, welcome to my vlog. So to this video guys, gagawa tayo ng sa Bisaya pa guys is shakoy. Gagawa tayong shakoy guys. So meron tayong 2½ flour and meron tayong 2 tablespoon of keto sweet sugar and 1½ salt and 2½ of 2 tablespoon of butter and 1 can of milk. So ngayon guys, meron tayong active, yes guys, yan. So ito na yung mga ingredient guys, no? So halo natin yan dyan. Ito ay 2½ sugar guys. Tapos meron tayong asin, yan. Ayan, meron tayong, ito buksan natin guys, ang patubo guys, no? Kasi guys, craving ako ng shakoy guys, sa Bisaya pa guys, shakoy. Kaya dapat magawa ako ng pandesal guys, kaya lang wala akong itlog. Tamad ako pumunta sa store. So, gagawa ng tayong shakoy. Kasi ito walang itlog. So, ito yung gagawin ko guys. So, tayong shakoy. Hindi sa diet. Walang diet guys. Halo na natin ito pag-bilis, no? Kasi dry naman siya guys, no? Very easy and simple lang ito guys. So, itong warm butter natin, halo natin dito. Ayan. So, hinalo ko nga sugar guys ay sa keto. Ayan, para hindi naman tayo masyadong magiging baboy. Kasi alam ko, magpagtaba ito. Before that guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And push the notification na rin para active kayo lagi sa aking video, no? So, ito guys, 1 can of milk guys. Halo natin dyan. Unti-untiin na lang natin, no? Guys. Siya, no? Ayan guys. Slicein natin guys at timuin natin na tawag nito, gawin na natin twister, no? Guys. Ganyan na lang yan nyo. Maiksi siya. Parang hindi siya nakatubo. Okay. So yan guys, na-twisted na natin guys. No, hindi siya perfect guys. Kasi first time kong gumawa ng twisted donut. And then sa Bisaya pa ay shakoy. So yan siya guys. So, hintayin natin 30 minutes and ilutuin na natin sa mantika. No? See you later. So guys, painit na tayo ng mantika guys. No? So you can see mantika natin. Olive oil guys. This one. Ito yung ginagamit kong oil. Tayo natin uminit para ilimid na natin natin. twisted donut. Ayan guys, can you see? Nilunod na natin ating donut. So, mamaya ating baliktarin yan, no? So, ayan siya guys. Malapit na maluto guys. It's not perfect, but practice muna to, no? So, ayan siya guys. So, you can see guys. Ayan na siya guys. Yung ating twisted. It's not perfect, but masarap pa rin siya guys. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. So, yan yung ating shakoy twisted guys. It's not perfect. It's funny guys. Look at that. But, just the first time I make this twisted donut, no? Alright guys, see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.